Hi and welcome. Today we're making kafteji, but my way, I guess. Most of the kafteji, it's fried. I'm just gonna saute them instead of fry them, deep fry them. I have zucchini over here. I have potato cut cubes. I have eggs. I have tomatoes. That's for the seasoning, coriander powder, salt, and black pepper, and the oil for to saute. Over here it's missing the pepper, the green pepper. I guess for current eating I couldn't get the go to the store to get the pepper. But otherwise you need pepper with this one. You see you're gonna get big skillet, put a little bit oil. Like I said, this is an easy way. You can put them in the oven. Some people put them in the oven. Some people deep. The real original one, it's fried, deep fried. You fry each vegetable or ingredient separately. This one you're gonna see the way I'm gonna do it. It's very easy, and I like it. Comes out, tastes the same thing. There's no difference. So the first thing we're gonna put is the potato first, because it needs time to cook. So I put the fries with the potato. I'm sorry, the over here I'm checking to see if the oil is ready, and it is. So I'm gonna put the potatoes. So you just make sure you put all the potatoes. I took some of the zucchini out because I didn't want them to burn. So you just saute the potato first to make sure it's cooked. And when it's cooked halfway, you're gonna see how it looks like when it's cooked. We're gonna add the zucchini. The same pot. You don't have to switch from, take it out and then fry the other one. No, the same thing. You're gonna see it. And trust me, you will see later on how it looks like, and it tastes exactly the same thing like you deep fried it with less oil. You see, that's how. Now we can put the zucchini. Just push it back a little bit, and then we put the zucchini. Saute that one for a little bit. Saute them, let them stay like that for maybe 5 minutes or less, because they quick. They don't take much to cook the zucchini. So after the zucchini, it should be the pepper, but because I didn't have the pepper, like I said, because we're not allowed to go outside. So you put the pepper when you have the pepper. Now it's just, when you see them to start cooking, you mix the potato and the zucchini. So every time you add a vegetable, you wait for it till it cooks a little bit, and then you mix it with the other vegetable, the one you put in the first time. Then continue cooking them like that. You see, you can see some oil there. It's not like it's dry. It has some oil, but not, not much. It's enough for them to saute and cook. Keep mixing. If you're not sure by the eye to tell if they cooked or not, you can even taste them or like squeeze them by hands. If they, that's how you tell if they soft. But most people you can tell by the look. Now it's ready to put the tomatoes. You just like you did with the potato, you just push it a little bit and then leave a space for the tomato. You just put the tomato, flip them over a couple of times, and you do the same thing what you did with the zucchini. They will get soft and tender. So you keep smushing them like that. You need like a keep doing that with the spoon. They will get so soft quickly. They don't take much. I add a little oil over there because the tomato absorbed all the oil. Now they look like they're ready. So we're just gonna mix them all together. And that's it. So everything is ready now. So what's left is the eggs. The eggs, we're just gonna fry them separately. So mix everything together, make sure all the tomatoes and the sauce and everything together. Put it aside, and then we're gonna fry the eggs. See, you can tell now everything is cooked and soft. So you can put it aside for now. And I fried 3 eggs. If you want more, you can do. You can add more, but 3, I think it's a good amount. So I'm gonna put some pepper on it and some salt. So we're just gonna flip them over a little bit. Don't overcook them because don't forget the other ingredient, they're hot already. So they're gonna get they're gonna cook more with the other ingredients. So just flip them like that. Let them sit there for like maybe a few minutes. And that's it. Now we're gonna put the eggs over it. Then we're gonna mix it and put all the seasoning together. So we're gonna put some coriander powder. So you're gonna mix everything together, make sure all the eggs are combined with the other ingredients. This is a very easy, so I hope you will like this way better than the deep fried one. It will taste the same thing. Try it and you will see it tastes the same thing. Less frying, less deep frying, and less oil. So this is it. It just decorated the way you want it. You can put olive, you can put parsley. It's all up to you. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, don't forget to give me a like, and I will see you next video. Bye bye. Enjoy.